Hi and welcome to Lesson 4, Split Orders and Customer Experience. In this video, we will explore how the Split Order plugin affects customer experience and what notifications are sent. Let's first look at customers' order history. Go to WooCommerce and click on Orders. When you split an order, both the original and the new split order show up in the customer's order history. This gives customers a complete view of everything they ordered, even when it splits into multiple shipments. Now, let's talk about notifications. Split Order lets you send an email to the customer when an order is split. To manage this, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on Emails. Scroll down, and here you will see the email with the name of Split Order. Click on Manage. This is where you can enable or disable the email notification for split orders. By default, this email is off. Customers do not get notified when an order is split. If you want to inform them, then enable this setting. Now let's look at customizing the email message. Here you can add a subject line and add a message that the customer can see. For example, you can let the customer know that their order has been split. Once your changes are done, click on Save Changes. And that's it. Split orders can keep customers informed without confusion. You can control notifications and make sure customers know what's happening with their orders well. That wraps up the lesson. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.